So you've probably heard by now, Jack Tame is just, I don't even know, is that how you say his name, Tame, or is it Tame? Is he Māori? I don't even know. You've probably heard by now, he's won this award from the Māori Language Commission, and it's for all his great work on, being an advocate for Te Reo Māori on TV, on his morning breakfast show.
Be good to put this somewhere prominent.
Kia ora te whānau, no mai, haere mai, ko parakuihi tēnei. This is Breakfast at tēnā koe, good morning.
Kia ora.
So I wanted to come and make this video for two main reasons. One being, I really just wanted to acknowledge him because I think that's awesome for what he's done and what he's achieved and the influence that he's made on society. And number two, I wanted to quickly talk about what we can take away from Jack's efforts and implement into our own lives and what sort of impact that can have. I don't know a whole lot about this story and behind the scenes sort of stuff with Jack, but from what I can gather, a lot of it has been quite impromptu. And for me, I can see that that's something we can all take away. It's using Te Reo in an impromptu manner. Any chance that you get, whether it's it's one word, 2 words, 3 words, it doesn't have to be much. If you're using it, you're contributing to the survival of the language, and that's what we need. Because for the language to survive, we need people like you and me and Jack to be doing these sorts of things. There's so many detractors out there from Te Reo Māori, people that don't see, even just detractors from Māori culture and Māori people in general. Jack highlighted this at the start of the year when he called out this lady, Janine or something her name was, about an email that she sent through saying, we should send all the Māori prisoners off to an island, and then Jack rebutted with this.
Janice, that is literally what happened. That is the history of our country. Last I checked, Māori were on an island, they were left to it, and then Pākehā turned up, and look how that worked out. But thank you very much for that brilliant insight. Goodness me.
What I can see he's done there is taken a step further and not only been an advocate, but he's actually stood up for Māori culture and Te Reo Māori in the face of those that are detracting from it. My final message and my takeaway from all this is to use Te Reo as much as you can, even if it's only in that small little bit. Every little bit counts. And to you, Jack, thank you, brother. Love your work. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Got plenty of new videos coming, and I'd love to stay in touch.